I had a cracked glass screen protector, and I've been seeing these all over TikTok, and I really wanted to try it. So let's see how this goes together. So apparently the instructions, it says clean the mobile screen. So I just cleaned my phone here. It says put installation tray on phone screen. So this apparently, I'm just gonna put my phone in it. Okay. Draw out the sticker. So I just have my phone in here and it says draw out the sticker. Okay. It looks like it's coming down. And then it says press the T for 15 to 20 seconds. There's my dog. He's cute. Okay, we're gonna push this. And then it just says take up the installation tray. Oh, would you look at that? And then it says I have a little thing to squeeze if any bubbles. But look, it's perfect. Well, that was pretty handy. I've linked it below if you want to grab yours.